Welcome to BioRatna. Those of you who are watching my video for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Chandana Sengupta, having 18 plus years of teaching experience. I am honored to be recognized as Excellent Educationist by HRD Ministry, Government of India. Few of my suggestions have been incorporated in Standard 11th and 12th NCERT Biology. Many of my students have taken admission in government medical colleges, and every session for 12th board I have given my bio toppers with 98-99 marks. For today's video is megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis. What is the definition of megasporogenesis? Formation of haploid megaspore by meiosis of megaspore mother cell is called megasporogenesis. Where this megaspore mother cell is present, that we have already seen in our previous video, but of course we are going to see it again. वहीं से तो शुरुआत है megaspore mother cell से. Let us start. This is the funicle. This is the body of the ovule. This body of the ovule, it has a small opening. This opening is called micropyle. The opposite end is called chalazal end. This has two protective integuments, protective coverings. So this is integument, and the inside is filled with diploid cells called the nucellus. So these are the nucellus cells. They are diploid. One of these nucellus cells ही है. One of these nucellus cell towards the micropyle end, it differentiates and it becomes larger in size, and this is called megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell. Why it has differentiated? What it is going to do? Let us see that. This is the diagram of megasporangia. Megasporangia, that is the ovule. हाँ बच्चों, इस स्टॉक में ना, इस फ्यूनिकल में आपको यहाँ से एक ऐसी स्ट्रैंड जैसी कुछ दिखती है ना. व्हाट इज दैट, यू नो? दिस इज द वैस्कुलर बंडल. इसे खाना चाहिए ना ओव्यूल को. तो दिस वन इज द वैस्कुलर बंडल. अदर देन डेफिनेशन वी हैव सीन द लोकेशन ऑफ द मेगास्पोर मदर सेल. हमने देख लिया वो ओव्यूल में कहाँ पे है. अब हम देखते हैं इसकी जर्नी, द मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस. डायग्राम ए. दिस इज द मेगास्पोर मदर सेल. अराउंड इट, इसके चारों तरफ और थोड़े छोटे छोटे से सेल्स है. कौन है ये? न्यूसेलस सेल्स. इट इटसेल्फ वाज आल्सो अ न्यूसेलस सेल ओनली. वो खुद भी तो एक न्यूसेलस सेल ही था. अब उसने खुद को डिफरेंशिएट कर लिया है. सो दिस वन इज द मेगास्पोर मदर सेल, एंड दीज सेल्स दे आर द nucellus cells. This much clear? Now this will undergo meiosis 1. This will undergo meiosis 1. meiosis 1 करने से क्या होगा? उसका एक सेल था, डिवाइड होके दो हैप्लॉइड बन गए. यू मस्ट बी रिमेम्बरिंग, हैप्लॉइडी आधी हो जाती है, वो meiosis 1 में ही हो जाती है. That's why it is called the reductional division. याद है? क्लास 11th में सेल साइकिल, सेल डिविजन पढ़ा था. So now this meiosis 1 is completed and these 2 cells are formed. Now this will again undergo meiosis, that is meiosis 2. Now it will undergo meiosis 2 to form 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 megaspores. Similarly, here we will draw the nucellus cells. ये हमारे बन गए nucellus cells and these are the 4 megaspores. These are the 4 megaspores. Out of these 4 megaspores, now what will happen? पहले आपने ध्यान दिया माइक्रोस्पोरोजेनेसिस एंड मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस में एक बड़ा सा फर्क क्या है? In microsporogenesis, all the microspore mother cells, the MMCs there, all of them underwent meiosis. Everyone formed 4 microspores. यहाँ सिर्फ एक ही सेल बनता है मेगास्पोर मदर सेल. उसके भी जो 4 मेगास्पोर्स बनते हैं उसमें से 3 डीजेनरेट हो जाते हैं. 1, 2, 3 डीजेनरेट हो गए और एक ही बड़ा सा बच गया. सो दिस 3 दे आर degenerating megaspores. These are the degenerating megaspores. And this one is the what? Functional megaspore. This is the functional megaspore. ठीक, चारों तरफ न्यूसेलस सेल्स बना दें. चलिए बना देते हैं. ये हो गए इसके न्यूसेलस सेल्स. तो only one megaspore is formed. Megaspore, this only single surviving megaspore, it will form the embryo sac or female gametophyte. The formation of the embryo sac from only one functional megaspore is called monosporic development. This is called monosporic development. What is monosporic development? The only single surviving megaspore, mono means single spore, it will form the embryo sac. This type of development is called monosporic development. तो यहाँ लोकेशन के अलावा हम लोगों ने फिर पढ़ लिया प्रोसेस भी. And then we saw what is monosporic development. What is monosporic development? Hope all the points are clear to you. यहाँ स्ट्रक्चर करके दिखा दिया कि मेगास्पोर मदर सेल कहाँ होता है. फिर ये एक सिंगल सेल, इसने मियोसिस किया, 4 सेल बनाए, उसमें से एक ही सर्वाइव किया. This simple it is, megasporogenesis. Hope your all concepts here are clear. If you have liked the video, do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications in time. All the best for great knowledge, great success and great happiness. Thank you for watching the video.